Welcome to RAG Assistant, your AI-powered companion for intelligent conversation, document analysis, and web research. So how you can set up it, you have to add API keys, create assistant, and you can start chatting. So here are the key features. So the first key feature is smart text selection. So before we move forward, let me show you how you can install this extension. So to install this extension, you have to go to Chrome App Store and you have to search for RAG, and there comes our extension. You can just click on this and you can just install it. That is it. Now let's move forward to the first feature that this extension provides. I have opened specific product on Amazon and now I can convert this into formatted table specification. I will just select the about this item description and the title, and I will just click on ask button, and now I will type my question. Extract all key specification and create a clean comparison table. So now let's wait for the result. There you go. I can just click on copy button and I can close this pop-up, and let me show you this in the notepad. So I have just copied the text and there you go. So this created a formatted table including all specification and details like brand, model, motor power, and everything. So this is the first use case. Now let me show you the second use case that this extension provides with smart text selection. I just headed to review section and now I will just select all of the reviews. Okay, I'm just selecting all of the reviews and now I will ask it questions. Okay, so I will just ask, so I just asked what are pros and cons of product based on top reviews I just selected. I will click on OK and now let's wait for the result. There you go. So you can see the pros, okay, and you can see the cons as well. So everything is listed in very formatted and well structured way, so you can easily write what this product provides and what are the main cons of this product that you can avoid to get this product. So I can click on copy and I can just close the pop-up. Now let's move forward. Now I am on the product information and product description section. I can just select both of them and now I can ask it like this. I just asked it to create a detailed article based on product description and specification. I will click on OK and now let's wait for the result. There you go. You can see this is the detailed article that this assistant has written for us based on these product information and product description. You can of course copy it and you can use it anywhere. Now let's move forward to another website where we can use our select based smart text selection. Okay, I am on a YouTube video that's showing a match, okay, between different teams. Now I can select the comments here, like, and I can select top 10 or top 20 comments, okay, like this. I can ask what team win and what is the summary of these comments. Okay, you can see my question, which team won the match, and can you summarize the comments. Now let's move forward. There you go. You can see based on comments provided, it seems that England won the match. These comments revolve around an incident involving weight and everything is there. Okay, you can read this complete paragraph. Now you can ask anything related to these questions, okay, or related to these comments. I just loaded video description and now I can select the video description and I can ask anything. I just want to extract the links that are used in video description and SEO optimized tags from this video description so I can use it in my own video. I will just click on OK and now let's wait for the result. There you go. You can see these are the extracted links that are passed there. Okay, and this is also extracted link, and these are SEO optimized tags that are used in this video description. Now you can copy it and you can close this. I have opened Wikipedia and now I search for quantum mechanics. Okay, now if suppose that I cannot understand this paragraph, okay, so what I can do, I can just select the text and I can ask our assistant to summarize it and provide us with some examples. Now let's move forward. I just asked, can you please explain in simple words and with real world example, and now let's move forward. So this is loading here. Now let's wait for it. There you go. You can see this is quantum mechanics, is a branch of physics that explain particles, electrons, protons, and everything. And this is real world example and everything is there. Now you can ask further question. You can select any paragraph and you can ask any type of question here. Okay, so this is how this smart text selection works. Now let me show you the most powerful use case here. So I asked my friend to share his WhatsApp number and also the share contact number of his friend as well. Okay, so now I will just select all of the text because I don't have time to read each and everything. I just want to ask it. Okay, so I will ask it directly here. Now I just asked it, can you tell me what is this specific person WhatsApp and this specific person WhatsApp in this selected text? I will just click on OK, and now let's wait for the result. There you go. You can easily see this is this specific person WhatsApp contact, that is my friend, and this is also my friend, and that is the contact number of that specific person. You can see it and you can confirm it here as well. Okay, and you can confirm it here as well. So everything is working fine. Now let me explain you more examples. Now what I will do, suppose that I wanna reply to this specific email thread. What I will do, I will just select all of the text here and I will ask it, write a professional reply for this email thread. Okay, and now let's wait for the result. There you go. You can see this is subject, this is the message. I hope this finds you well. Thank you for sharing this specific person contact information, and I already get in touch with that person. I can just copy it and I can place it here. I'm sorry, this didn't work. And now I just pasted it, and now you can send it easily. So that is how you can easily use smart text selection feature in different types of websites. Now let me show you one more thing. So if I select this text, you can see you can ask anything, you can explain, you can summarize, you can translate, and you can create a new assistant as well. If I click there, it will lead you to this page. Okay, you can create different types of assistant there. I already created these 3 assistant because these comes by default, and these 3 are created by me. So this is Amazon shopping assistant, your review analyzer, product comparison, and specification extractor are the features of this assistant. Okay, you can also select the text and you can ask anything with those assistants. So I can select the text and I can just move to Amazon shopping assistant and I can click on specification extractor and whatever you want to do. Okay, like this, and this will work fine. There you go. I selected text and this is now showing me the product name, model, key features, dimensions, compatibility information, warranty and return policy, and everything. You can just copy it and you can use it anywhere. So this is how you can use custom assistants as well if you want to use. Okay, so you can create any type of assistant and you can use it anywhere on your any type of favorite website. Now let's discuss the second feature, that is document intelligence. You can upload different types of files and you can ask questions about your document instantly. Basically, we can upload these documents on 2 to 3 different places. The first place is sidebar. You can just click on sidebar icon and you can upload your documents here. Okay, the second place is when you click on assistants and you can see that your assistant that you have created. You can click on chat with any assistant. Okay, and you can upload the documents here as well. Okay, and the third place is where you can upload the document. When you create assistant, there is an option that is called knowledge base. When you upload your documents directly in your assistant, it means your API key usage will be more less. Okay, because this use RAG functionality and RAG to answer your questions, and the whole document is not sent to an AI for document processing. So that's why only chunks that are relevant to your query are matched and returned to your response. Okay, so these are 3 places where you can upload the document. Let me show you the demo by using this sidebar. Okay, you can open any website and you can just open a sidebar by clicking on this icon, and now you can upload the documents here. I will click on upload button and now I will upload some type of document there. I will go to my downloads directory and now I will select some type of document there, and then I will obviously ask some questions. I have multiple documents, but I will for now select this document, trading app, and now let's wait. It is processing in the backend and now we have to wait. Okay, this is processed there and now we can ask anything. Now let me show you first of all the PDF how it look like. You can see this is related to mobile trading application and I can ask anything. Now let's ask what is delivery time and what is the budget for this application, and can you summarize this application. Okay, so now let's ask it. Now I just asked, can you summarize this trading application project and what is budget and timeline for this. Now let's wait. There you go. The trading application is aimed to develop advanced mobile app for cryptocurrency trading, and here are key features included. And you can also see this is the project budget and this is the timeline for 1 month. That is also specified here. This was the budget and this was the timeline. So this is how your PDF, and you can upload your Word documents and you can process them in real time. Not only this, you can copy the prompt, you can copy the response, and you can click on prompt to see what exactly the context was sent to an AI. Okay, so because this is the context that is sent to an AI to answer your response. Okay, so you can also check it, and then you can move forward. You can upload different types of file. You can upload text file, you can upload Word documents, and you can upload even markdown files as well. Okay, so this is how your document feature works. The same procedure you can do on the full chat. Okay, you can also upload files here, and you can ask any question that you wanna know. This time I will select this PDF and I will click on open, and now I can ask any type of question. So it is processed, and now let's ask the questions. I can just ask, can you summarize the PDF? And now I can also ask another question in the same time. So our AI processing two similar messages in the same time, and you can get different messages response in the same time. So you can see this is the summary of the PDF, and if I go there, based on attached document, there is no budget and timeline. So I can ask multiple questions at the same time without waiting the first question to complete, and then I can ask. So that is not the problem. You can ask as many questions as you want in the same time. You can also do the same thing here as well. Now I will select a PDF file in the sidebar, and I will show you how you can ask multiple questions in the same time. Okay, I will just ask specific questions to that specific. I attach the PDF, and now I'm asking what is timeline for this project, and instantly I will ask what is budget for this project. So it's thinking two similar messages. So now it will tell us what is the budget and what is the timeline. You can see it is saying 1 month is timeline. Okay, and this is the budget for the project, that is between $2,000 and $8,000. So this is how it works, and now I'm sure you can easily understand how this sidebar and how the main uploading chat, where you can upload the documents here as well, works. Okay, you can also upload the documents in sidebar, you can upload the documents in the full chat as well. Now let's move forward and let's discuss the third feature, that is called real-time web research. To show you examples of real-time web research, you just need to click on this extension icon, and this will open the sidebar. If you are on default assistant, you have to make sure that you have enabled the web search. Now I can ask anything. If you are using different assistant, there's possibility that web search is enabled in that assistant. So I will just use default assistant, and now I can enable the web search, and now I can ask anything with specific model. I will just send the message, can you tell me what is the BTC rate now? And now I will also send another message, that is what is current weather in Pakistan. Now it's processing two different messages, and now it will search the web and it will fetch the information from the web and tell me the response. Now let's wait for that. Now you can see, first of all, it told me that this is the BTC rate, and after that, for the second message, now it's telling me that in different cities what is the weather in Pakistan. Okay, so this is how this web search works. You can ask anything, and you can ask latest information from the web. I can ask what are the top 3 tech news headline today. It is thinking and it is getting the response for us, and you can see 3 tech news headlines today. This is Nvidia earning, this is Waymo expansion, and this is Google Gemini 3 launch. Okay, now I will ask different types of queries. Now I asked the other question, who won the last Premier League and match, and what is the score? So now let's wait for the output. There you go, it is exactly telling us the match league was between Newcastle and Manchester City, with Newcastle winning 2-1. Okay, now I'll ask different question, what is the weather forecast for New York City this weekend? And now let's wait for the result. There you go, and you can easily get what is the New York City this weekend. Okay, now I will ask what is the best price for AirPods Pro 2 right now across different stores. Now it will fetch this information across different stores like Amazon, Walmart, and different types of other e-commerce platforms, and it will tell us based on its experience that it does on web search. There you go, you can easily find, like on this platform, okay, this is the price, and on Walmart this is the price, on Amazon this is the price, and you can also click on link to get that specific AirPods. Okay, so this is how it works, and now you can easily understand how this assistant is working. You can search anything and you can ask it anything, and it will obviously fetch all of the latest information from the web, and it will tell you. So now let's move forward, and now I can show you how you can create your custom AI assistants. To create a custom AI assistant, you can click on this icon, and now you can create your assistant. Let me close the sidebar, and so I can explain you easily. So to create an assistant, you can click on create assistant button, and now you can specify the details that you want here. I can specify assistant name, I can specify assistant description, I can choose specific color, I can select the model, temperature, and I can select the system prompt, welcome message, and action names. So action names are basically different types of action names that you can use along with system prompt. Okay, I will obviously explain you the example, and you can also attach your knowledge base as well. If you want to enable web search, you can click on enable web search, and it will also enable web search for it. You can choose different types of file for your knowledge base, and you can add them. You can add URLs, you can add video URLs, and you can choose different types of file that it supports. And after that, you can click on create assistant, and it will create the assistant. Now let me show you examples. So if I go to this Amazon shopping assistant or YouTube assistant, I can show you the example. So this was the assistant name, this is the assistant description, this was the model used, okay, the latest model, this was the temperature, and this is system prompt. You're expert in extracting useful key data from YouTube based on my sub action prompt. So these sub action basically are like the add-ons for that specific assistant. So if on UI, if you select this keyword frequency analyzer, like if I open this sidebar, and if I select this YouTube assistant, and if you select this keyword frequency analyzer, it will use this prompt along with this prompt. So it means sub action prompt will be used along with main system prompt. If you don't select any sub action, the only main prompt will be used. Like if you say hi, it will only say, or it will only use the main YouTube assistant prompt, that is this prompt. If you select specific keyword frequency analyzer or SEO tag generator or anything from sub actions of that assistant, that specific prompt will be also used. So if I select this, now it's selecting this analyze top 10 comments, top 100 comments for pinpoint. If I select this will use detect the different language. So this specific prompt of that specific quick action will be used along with this system prompt. So I hope you understand it. After that, welcome message, this is welcome to YouTube assistant, that you can easily set, that will show here. And you can also add more quick action, like, so I can name it as anything like video like and comment counter, and I can make the prompt like this, tell the video like and comment count that are showing in the video. Okay, and after that I can add my knowledge base, like I can add any URL, I can add YouTube video URL that would be later used for our query processing. I can enable search for the assistant, and I can update my assistant here. So now if I move forward, and if I select YouTube assistant here, okay, and now you can see I will have an extra option, that is video like and comment counter. Okay, so this is how this assistant works and how you can create different types of assistant. Okay, now let's move forward, and now let me show you the other features as well. So the other feature is sidebar chat, and how you can use the sidebar chat, let me explain you. To use the sidebar chat, you can obviously use any page where you want to ask question. Like if I want to ask question on this Amazon page, I will just open it and I will ask anything here. So I can ask it, what is product title? Because this assistant has already access to this page, now it can tell me this product title is this specific thing. I can ask what is the price of product. You can see I ask what is the price of product, this is saying this is the price of product, and I ask what is product description, and you can see this is the product description. You can ask anything you like, and it will obviously get the answer for you. I can ask what are pros and cons of product. I can ask what are total reviews on this product. Okay, and now you can see these are the pros and cons of the product, and these are the total reviews on the product that are this amount, and you can check and verify it on the main page here as well. Okay, this is the rating. Okay, now I can ask it what is average rating from 5-star, and this will tell us this amount 4.7. Okay, now let's wait, and now you can see this is 4.7. so this is working very well. You can ask anything, and now let me show you other example as well. Let me open my email. Okay, I will open my email and now I will ask different questions here. I will just open the sidebar. I will switch to different assistant. So I will use Gmail Professional Assistant, and I have three different quick actions: Professional Email Writer, Email Tone Adjuster, Email Thread Analyzer. I will just use the first one for now because I want to create a response for this email thread. So I will just click on this, and now it will process this for me. There you go. You can see this is the complete message that I can use in my own message requirement. Okay, I can just copy it and I can paste it anywhere I like. Okay, that is it. And now I can also adjust the tone of my email. So now what I can do, I can just select this text because I can select this text as well, and now I can just click on email tone adjuster. Okay, and now it is processing it, and now let's wait for it. This time I selected this specific text, and now this is completely retoned message for this email thread. Now I can also click on email thread analyzer, and it can tell me what is exactly in this complete thread. Okay, now let's wait for the result, and now let me show you what exactly this provides as an email thread. You can see this is summary of discussions. Okay, this is key decisions made, this is action items, this is open questions or unresolved issues, and these are the next steps or follow-ups. Okay, so how easy this is for you to manage your email messages. You can do anything. Okay, for now, if I show you my assistants here, I have this Gmail Professional Assistant. This is the main prompt, you can read it, and these are the other prompts that I have used for each of the professional quick action. You can add more quick action, you can write quick action name, and you can write the prompt template. This specific prompt is only for this specific quick action, but whenever you select this specific quick action, it means the main prompt will be also used. Okay, so how this is easy. So suppose that if I don't select anything, like if I don't select anything here, I just click on send button, like analyze, like this. So it means it will only use this main prompt here. Okay, the main prompt, that is this one, because I didn't select it any specific thing here. Okay, so now if I show you what was the response, you can see these are the participants, these are the purpose, these are the response and resolution, this is tone, this is action item, and everything. And you can see the prompt template and what is exactly used in the prompt template. This is the system prompt only used. Okay, you can see it. So this is how it works. In the sidebar you have different options. You can change your assistant, you can change the model, okay, to any model that you like. You can enable web search if you want to do some web search here. You can enable knowledge base if you want to get some information from your knowledge base that you have added from this knowledge base. Okay, you can do anything here. Not only this, if you click on this icon, this can allow you to take a screenshot and you can ask it anything. Okay, now I ask the screenshot, and now I will ask it anything. So I asked it to extract text from this image and how we can improve the UI. And now let's wait for the result. You can see regarding UI improvement, suggestion for the one text website, simplified navigation, real hierarchy, consistency, and everything. And you can ask it anything. Now if I move forward, I can ask anything from this image as well. I can just click on this button and I can take the screenshot and I can ask it anything. Okay, now I'm just asking it if it can answer me correctly. Is this mobile app or desktop application? I can just click enter, and now let's see what it does. Okay, now you can see it is the mobile app because this is showing the mobile application there, so it can easily tell us what is the mobile application name and everything. So this is how this snapshot work. You can also add any URL here that you want to scrap, and you can ask any questions here. You can record your voice here. Okay, you can click on camera icon or gallery icon to upload more images, and you can ask it anything. You can also use any type of quick action like this, and you can ask anything from this current page. Not only this, there is also option when you hover over an image like this, and there is an image action, and you can click on extract text, chat with image, describe image, and analyze content. If I click on extract text, it can also tell me to extract the context of that specific thing. You can see this image displays a smartphone screen with visible interface for messaging or SMS application, and everything you can see there. You can hover over any image like this, and you can analyze content, describe image, chat with image, and you can also extract text as well. So this is it for this video, and now let me show you other features as well. You can click on this button to join our Discord. Okay, you can click on this help button to see the tutorials and how you can message our assistant. Okay, so every thing is there. You can see the examples and everything. You can see the tutorials here, and you can see the key features here. So I have explained all of the things to you, and now if you again want to know how you can install this extension, you can just move to Chrome Web Store, and you have to search for RAG here like this, and now you have to just click on this extension, and you can just click on add to Chrome, and it will be added to your Chrome. So I hope you like this video, and if you want more videos on this, you can just like this video and comment so we can move forward. Thank you. Have a good day.